Absolutely. And one comment to what you just said there with respect to the code matching the security expectations. That is something that's been sought after for quite a number of years, and I'm optimistic it will happen one day, but definitely cautiously optimistic and so on. But one of the things that I really, again, looking more from a CSP perspective and such, one of the things that I see being a challenge in many cases is not every cloud's created the same, but neither is every enterprise. And so when you look at the entire adoption of cloud and the migration of cloud from any existing infrastructure, there are challenges that are spoken to, and Sean's spoken to a little bit of also as far as how do we deal with that bimodal type of concept of IT and those applications. When we really start looking at how you deal with that, we're seeing a lot of hybrid IT, multi-cloud type of environment start to step up where the best solution for a customer, and has to be realized, is not necessarily forklifting what is existing within an IT infrastructure today and expecting a cloud service provider to provide just that, but to really look at how should my environment operate within a cloud infrastructure itself or multiple cloud infrastructures. How do I bind together both from a security perspective and governance, both from a performance expectations from my applications, but also the end goal, the business outcome, the mission outcome that I'm expecting across potentially multiple different providers. And I think those challenges right now where a lot of the consumers are looking at the fact that I'm finding one IS or one CSP to fit my enterprise, and then I'm going to hammer it in there just as tightly as I can. What that does is a disservice not only to them as far as making certain concessions they would not want to make, but also the challenge to the CSP because now they have to augment what they have defined as a standard service. And now we're looking at the challenge that the costs start to rise, and you miss all the benefits of cloud when you start to do things like that.
Good point. Very